Hi, I greet this day with a love in my heart. Welcome to Indian Stock Mind Dynamics. Today, the tip of the day is implementation technique. I repeat, implementation technique. Before that, this day, 5th January happened to be International Bird Day. So throughout the world, it's been done by all naturalists and people are interested in bird watching. They are all falling for this, and it's very interesting to know about the birds. In our country, this sparrow we already lost. So many birds have been lost because of the many information you know about it. So that is considered to be one of the best day for us. And the second thing is I wanted to tell about our Didi, West Bengal Chief Minister's birthday. She born in 1955. Wishing her happy birthday to mom. And then the most important fact which I could tell you is 1893. What do you call Yoganand Paramahamsa birthday, and I bow my head to him. And remembering all this, I am going to talk about this implementation technique. Okay, what is this implementation? Whatever we know, it's become a knowledge. But if that knowledge is not being used properly or put into use, it's of no use. So knowing is not enough. Doing is something, it gives a result which we know. So implementation of the technique, whatever you learned in life, by experience, by virtue of experience, can bring a laurel to us. But most of the people, they know it but don't implement it. That should not happen. So what's happening here is, I would like to take a sheet of paper and write this sankalpa so that it can help you. People are appearing for competitive exams, and they're ready for a competition, but they don't properly prepare and they don't implement the technique what they were learned. So I tell you this, please make a note. Competition worthy of me is within myself. No one is inferior to me, nor no one is superior to me. I am what I am. Please make a note of it. Competition worthy of me is within me. No one is superior to me, nor no one is inferior to me. I am what I am. Make a note of this. So people, when they go for a competition, you're not competing with others. First you should know how to compete with yourself. That means implementation of what the knowledge they had. See, for example, if the implementation is not done, the interpretation of our language differs. For example, a mother is doing a embroidery work with a what do you call, a round frame. She put the cloth and started doing the embroidery. A child of 6 years old boy comes and talks to a mother. Mommy, what are you doing? The mommy says, I'm doing the embroidery, the drawing which you like. No, it doesn't look like that. It looks all the colorful threads are hanging and it's not in order. What is it? He says. The mother says to the boy, yes, my dear, from this side it looks like that. See? Then she turned the frame and showed to him, it's a beautiful peacock. The beautiful peacock she is embroidered. That means the bird peacock can be seen from the person who doing it, but other side of the embroidery, the threads are not in order. That's what we see in life. So like the child, we look into many things in a different angle. Don't do that. But you have to see the other side also. That other side is the proper implementation of the knowledge. The mother is doing with a sincere effort to bring that the peacock picture into that cloth. Then she turned and showed to the child. So nowadays, we also learning many things, but we are not looking into that properly. So to create ourselves, to compete enough the world, we have to implement what we learn. For example, in my students who come here to learn the mind dynamics and memory techniques, 30 to 40% may not use it, I know. Why? Because they know it, but they are not implementing it. But those people who are implementing day to day, and they are in far ahead and compete with any other examination, I tell you, name it anything in India or international level, they can do well. So do that. In a lighter side of it, you know, our Spielberg, I think, who had taken the movie of Steven Spielberg, I think so. Spielberg, yeah. He's from, he has taken the movie, The Titanic, okay, in 1987. The movie was released actually. And while he was writing a script, he was sitting in a hotel. One Chinese came and asked him, "Hello, you are a Spielberg?" Yes, I'm Spielberg. "Oh, nice to meet you. I think you are taking a great movie." "Yes, I'm taking a great movie." Suddenly Spielberg got annoyed and he thrashed him, the Chinese. Saying, "Why is, slapping me?" He said, "No, you are the people responsible for the Pierce Harbor destruction." "No, it was not us, it was Japanese," he said. Spielberg said, "Either Japanese or Chinese, all the same," he said. That fellow kept quiet. After some time, the Chinese, gave a thrash to Spielberg. Then Spielberg said, "Why did you hitting me?" He said, "You are the responsible for a Titanic ship shrunk." He said, "No, it was not me, it is iceberg," he said. Then Chinese fellow said, "It may be Spielberg or iceberg, all the same," he said. Okay, like that, we come across many informations. That information has to be kept in properly in the mind, and time to time, whenever we require, you should do that. Particularly for students. Are you all preparing for a competitive exams or any exams? Please remember, adopt the techniques. Any techniques. Adopt the techniques, practice to the core, and do well in your examinations. Okay, with this, I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Till then, bye for now, and have a great day, and may you all be blessed.